Hi guys, welcome back to the Rusty Blades YouTube barber channel. Today I received a package from Gamma Stylecraft. So all this is, it's going to be a quick unboxing. We're going to have a look inside. So let's stop messing about and let's get straight into it. So the first product that we're going to have a look at today that came in the box is the new blue double magnetic guards. Now, they're no different to the black ones. The black ones are just what come in the box, but now you've got the option to go over to Stylecraft and you can get it in blue, red and white. So if you're just wanting a change up, they're absolutely brilliant guards anyway, but why not have them in a different colour? That's the first product that I'm going to have a look at. Let's move on to the next product. The product now that we're going to have a look at is the Stylecraft travel case. So you can protect all your clippers, your trimmers, shavers and any grooming accessories with this. It's a semi-hard nylon organising case. It's water resistant, lightweight, really durable, and it's perfect to store all your products in there and all your equipment if you're just going on a quick house call and you don't want to carry too much. So this is the Stylecraft case. Go check it out. The next product that we're going to have a look at is the new Native Pro Styling Series combs. So there's 3 combs: the lift comb, the styler, and you've got the pit comb. They are really nice. I love the colour of these. All 3 of them are made from wheat straw. They're anti-static, they're heat resistant, really durable and lightweight, and best of all, they're environmentally friendly and safe to use. And last but not least, the new corded heat stroke. It heats up incredibly quick. It has 4 settings. It has 320, 350, 390, 420, and they're easy to understand with the LED power temperature indicator. I did do an unboxing on the cordless heat stroke not so long back, so I'll leave a card in the top corner for that so you can go check that out. But this is the corded one. It has an 8-foot long cord as well, so it's perfect for getting round clients. So yeah, all these products, I will leave a link down below where you can go get those, and if you do decide, you can use my code Rusty10 at Gamma and Stylecraft in the USA and it'll get you a bit of a discount. So that's all there is today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, remember to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell and leave any comments down below, and I'll catch you in the next one.